Jeff Bezos. Would you believe it if we tell you that someone left their vice president position at a Wall Street investment firm to start a bookstore in their garage? Probably not, right? Well, if you have ever shopped at Amazon, here's an interesting piece of information for you. It started as a bookstore. And the person we are talking about is Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon and also the richest person in the world. Jeff Bezos was born in Albuquerque, New Mexico on January 12, 1964. As a kid, Bezos displayed an excellent mechanical aptitude. He surprised his parents by dismantling his crib with a screwdriver when he was just a toddler. He has displayed varied scientific interest since his school days. Once he rigged an electric alarm to keep his younger siblings out of his room. He converted his parents' garage into a laboratory for his science experiments. When he was just a kid, he was very much infested with the idea of space. He fell in love with the idea of space exploration and space travel. He has been a pretty good student since childhood. After joining Princeton University, he thought of becoming a theoretical physicist. He was doing good, but only with a lot of effort. This fact came as a shock to Bezos because since his childhood, he performed exceptionally well without a lot of effort. That is when he realized he is going to become a mediocre theoretical physicist, which would be of no use. He has interest in physics, but his ability to pursue physics is not up to the mark. So he decided to change his major to computer science. Gradually, he fell in love with computers and earned a bachelor's degree in computer science and electrical engineering. After graduation, Jeff Bezos found employment on Wall Street. But computer science was increasingly in demand to study market trends. People there were so impressed by his work ethic that by 1990, he had climbed up to the position of senior vice president at an investment firm called D.E. Shaw. Everything was going so well. One day, he observed that internet usage was increasing 2,300% a year. He saw an opportunity for a new business. He searched for the top 20 items which he could sell online and selected books as the best option because till then no one sold books online. He took this idea to his firm, but they did not accept this idea. Bezos is a kind of person who loves taking risks and exploring something new. So he decided to quit his job and start his own company to make his idea work. Then he started an online bookstore called Amazon.com from his garage. Slowly and steadily, he started to introduce more and more products. Today, it is spread in the entire world and virtually everything is available on this platform. If we look at his career, though he was interested in space, he understood that his abilities were not up to the mark in the field of his interest and pursued something else which he is good at, which also had great potential and could give great value in return. He created interest in the field which is going to create a buzz in human history, which is the internet. And he developed his abilities and reached to where he is today. Whatever success he is enjoying it today, it was not an easy ride that he had. His career was filled with ups and downs. He left his first job in Fitted, a startup which failed to develop even after his tremendous effort. He left his second job in Bankers Trust because he felt his job became too monotonous and boring. When he understood D.E. Shaw was not going to get his idea on ground, took a huge risk and left his vice president position to start a new company in a garage. One can clearly see that Bezos has led quite a thunderous career. Here's what Jeff Bezos has to say. When you have a gift and then you work hard, you're really going to leverage that gift, says Bezos. For this, he urges his children and everyone starting out in their careers to pursue their passions because that will make it easier to succeed. That's going to make it easier for you to make that choice to work hard, says Bezos. Even after experiencing all this success, he never left his long-lasting dream of space exploration and space travel. He founded a space flight company in 2000 called Blue Origin, which manufactures the aerospace vehicles which send people to space. It is clear from Jeff Bezos' story that choosing the right career based on the interest and abilities is one of the most crucial parts of one's life. He could have continued at the investment firm and earned a decent living, but he wouldn't have been so successful as he is today.